This is Unit 2F and it deals with space and in particular the scale of space. So starting on the left here we have the whole universe. Universe means one, and the universe is a collection of galaxies. So here we have a typical galaxies. Galaxies rotate very slowly, and within galaxies we have typically 100 billion stars. Now we now know that a lot of stars do have planets around them. Our own star obviously does, and they rotate around at different rates. We've got the Earth highlighted here. I'll just follow the Earth around for a second. We've got the inner rocky planets, so we've got Mercury, we've got Venus, and we've got Mars there just beyond the Earth's orbit. Out here we've got the larger gas giants led by Jupiter. So zooming in on the Earth here, we have our rotation every 24 hours going from day to night and so on, and then we've got the Moon, our satellite, which takes about 27 days to circle around us. So the scale of space is very, very difficult to really understand. Kilometers and meters and so on aren't really designed to cope with it. So here we've got a representation of a pulse of light being sent from the Earth to the Moon, and this is the correct scale. Over here we've messed around with the scales a bit to fit it in. So it takes about 1.3 seconds for this pulse of light to reach the Moon. So we could have a unit which would be the light second, which would be the distance that light travels in 1 second. We could apply the concept to the solar system as well, and here we'd probably want to talk about light hours. And the solar system is about 10 light hours across, which means it would take light 10 hours to cross it. We could even have the light minute. It takes about 8 minutes for light to reach us from the sun, so we could measure that distance in light minutes. The galaxy then is about, or our galaxy is about 100,000 light years across, so it would take light 100,000 light years to cross it. The universe itself is about 93 million, billion light years across. Billion light years across. So astonishing distances there. Very, very difficult to understand, but hopefully the light year does help us. So key thing to understand, it's a measure of distance, even though it's got the word year in it. So we have our overall scale, one universe, hundreds of billions of galaxies. Within the galaxies we've got hundreds of billions of stars. Some of those stars have planets around them, and hopefully that may harbour some life. We also have satellites such as moons around those planets as well. And finally we have this concept of a light year, or the distance that light travels in 1